Watching a blizzard watch now and warning across parts of Minnesota and North and South Dakota, not so much because of how heavy the snow is going to be, but because of the tremendous amount of wind that's going to come down here. And in fact, that's happening right now. Already winds are gusting to 40 and 50 miles per hour in parts of North Dakota. The blizzard warnings extending right down through the 29 corridor and into the counties just west.
The upper Midwest. Let's go to the maps and take a look at the forecast as this next clipper arrives. Wednesday, we're looking at some snow showers expected across portions of the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes region.
Very strong winds coming down here because of the difference in pressure between that low and high pressure centered over the interior Rockies. The wind speed's already beginning to pick up in Minot, now gusting to 47 miles per hour, and winds are very gusty in northern Minnesota. Thief River Falls reporting a visibility of 1/4 mile with snow coming down there and winds gusting to 37 miles per hour. Of that, and there's the leading edge of that front and that light snow along with that. But look at the wind here driving down across the northern plains, gusting to 50 and in some cases 60 miles per hour. And there is still a lot of snow on the ground in North Dakota, in Minnesota, and also in northern parts of South Dakota. It's very cold, so it's a fine powdery snow. We get some wind coming through here, and what it will do is it will kick up that snow that's already on the ground. And this is the wind forecast going through the next day or so. So those very strong winds coming in through the rest of today into North Dakota and Minnesota. And by tomorrow morning, we're talking about winds again gusting to 50, 60, maybe 65 miles per hour across the northern plains. That is actually enough wind to drop tree branches and power lines, so there may be power outages across this part of the world. And again, we're going to see it kicking up the snow, so there are going to be whiteout conditions as a result of that. And then that strong wind really starts to kick in the north central plains. Again, you've got the threat of power outages with winds gusting that high. So there's a look at the high wind warnings, which now extend through North South Dakota, through most of Nebraska, also into parts of Iowa, right into Omaha and Lincoln, and wind advisories farther southward and across 70 and down into Wichita. It's going to be a pretty tough couple of days in the northern plains.